She in love with that sativa. When she blow that dope inside her lip. Hey guys, Colleen here. Welcome back. I am in my beauty room here. I just finished film a haul which has left the area very messy. A lot of boxes to break down and throw away. Thank God tomorrow is trash day. But what I want to do is I want to put away the new body care and arrange the new body care. So that's what we're going to do here now. Yeah, so to give you an idea, so I bought another one of these to put here, move down the creams and put the body mist as well as the ones I got in the latest haul and have them tiered like these. So I think what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to put the Victoria's Secrets because that's like the easiest thing to do, and then I'm going to deal with this. I'm just rearranging stuff. I'm not doing much to it right now. This is for the people who like, you know, these kinds of videos where you more or less, you know, do a lot of like organizational videos. Yeah, so hopefully this is not going to be too long. This is my little empties bin here, and I have more body care here. I'm studying to put these creams down here though, because this is going here, you know. So let me try and like figure this out, but I'm definitely going to put the rest of the Victoria's Secrets up there. So let me do that in the meantime. So yeah, so this is like the second shelf down where I have all my Victoria's Secrets. Usually what I do is I color coordinate them. So it starts from black to purples to blues to greens and yellows. I mean, I could put them all in the front here, which is what I think I might do. But then like the junkie in me, the organizational junkie in me might want to like try and organize, you know, because I could just do this, which I think I might do for now, you know. But the thing is, it does not match with the rest of it, you know. But yeah, I mean, I could do this, and then when my cashmere collection comes, you know, just finish it off here. But I could do it like this for now, you know, because these are new and I want to try these out for now. And I feel if I kind of insert them in, they might get lost in the sauce, you know. So I think I'll leave them here for now, and when my cashmere collection comes, it will just complete this gap here ever so nicely. And when I get more, I have a drawer down there, you know, with a lot of body care in it. So let me go down to this shelf here now, move all of this stuff, move this, put this there, and start organizing, you know. Okay, so this is what the third, well, the third Bath and Body Works, no, the second Bath and Body Works shelf looks like. Gosh, I was in track. I forgot this one. I would have put it in the back, but I'm leaving it there for now. Maybe when I'm rearranging, I'll fix it again because I have more stuff coming in. So chances are here will be filled, and then not that I aiming to fill the whole thing, but knowing me, yeah. And I forgot to include this one in the Victoria's Secret. So let me put her up here. So that one goes there, and that is that there. I don't know, I just love how it looks. So like these are like the expandable spice racks. I don't know. I just, and this is the ultimate exploration set that I got for Christmas. It usually comes out around holiday time. If you're interested in trying out all the classic scents, get this, because I paid like $47.97 for it, and I think it went down as low as $39.95. So wait till there's a sale. I need to get it. And I just have like, don't mind this, I actually had put my phone on this to film because it was just the right height. But yeah, so now to organize this, I think I'll just stick the little acrylic shelf there and put the rest of my body care here, and I think we will wrap up the video. So I'm going to give these to Antonio. So I'm going to call him there now. And let me just see if I could find room in this basket to put this one off, this one as well. Yeah. Just stick these in here for now. And I keep like extra caps in case I lose caps, because I always losing a cap. They fall and caps fly all over the place, and yeah, I had time. So I'll just put that there for now. So that is what this looks like. And this looks so cute. So I have all my creams there. I just like how it looks. You know, I just grab and go. It looks so pretty. And this acrylic stand I got is from Brand Source. It's like the nail polish stand. I just invert the shelves so it has something to rest on, because it's usually like a kind of container to put the nail polish in. Yeah, Homegirl doesn't have that many nail polishes, so I repurposed it because I used it to put makeup in. But since I got this, like, all the makeup in there, you know. So yeah, so that is it. So this is my body care shelf so far, you know. Let me just back it up a little bit to get a overview of it. I really like how this looks. Of course, I'll do some arranging. If you all want me to do a body mist collection at the end of 2023, let me know. I will kind of lay them out and categorize them based on scent profile. So, you know, gourmands, florals, fresh scents, woody scents, fruity scents, tropical scents, yeah. I don't have a lot like some of the YouTubers, but your girl collection is definitely great. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below. If you've made it this far, thank you so very much for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in another video. Bye guys.